Hi guys, it's me back again with yet another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video on How to Geek, I'm going to show you how you can activate your card in the Go2Bank app. So if you've created a Go2Bank account and are now wondering how you can activate your card, stick with me till the end of this video to find out how you can do that. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure that you do subscribe and also hit that bell notification so that you're reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. So getting right into the tutorial video, first of all, open up the Go2Bank app on your mobile device and then select the option in the very end that says activate your card. So as you tap on the activate your card option, wait for a certain while until the interface completely loads for you, where you'll have to enter certain details about your card in order to activate the card that is already associated to the Go2Bank account. So wait for a certain while until the interface completely loads for you. So here, as you can see, I've now landed on this interface where it says welcome to Go2Bank, and in order to finish setting up my account, I'll have to first of all enter my 16-digit card number, also enter your security code, and then enter the expiration month and expiration year. After doing this, tap on continue, and on fulfilling a few more credentials, you'll be able to see that you will have activated your Go2Bank card. So this is how it works. I hope that with the help of this video, you'll be able to activate your own card. If you do so, don't forget to let us know in the comment section below, and also please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys. I'll see you around in the next video.